Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Hey, we're talking birds today and cardinals specifically. And in today's video, we are going to introduce you to the most common call, chirp, sound, whatever you want to call it, of the cardinal. Let's take a look. All right, DIYers, hey, we are on the computer, and the first thing I want to talk about is the cardinal itself. In our case, a northern cardinal. And what are we looking at right now? Well, this is a picture of the exact cardinal attacking all of our windows and screens. And in this photo specifically, you can see the amount of damage the cardinal has caused to the screen that it's sitting on right now. Check that out. Go above the head, and you see a massive amount of the screen completely missing. Long story short, in our belief, it spent about a month and a half picking away at the screen and flying pieces of that screen off property, where it then was engineering and building a luxurious nest. However, again, that's just our opinion. And DIYers, in the event that you ever have a bird or cardinal, in our case, attacking your windows or screens, definitely check out the link scrolling above. We are also going to put that link down below in the comments and description. We will cover why that's happening. In addition, same goes for a bird that's attacking your rearview mirror of your car, or any vehicle for that matter. Again, definitely check that out. However, in this video, we are specifically focusing on the sounds of the northern cardinal. And for the past several months, we have unfortunately got to know this exact cardinal pretty well. We know when it comes and when it goes, and we know the sounds it makes, and I want to show them to you now. However, DIYers, do us a huge favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. You can do that now or after the video. Again, it would mean the world to us. However, from here, let's check out the sounds that this northern cardinal makes.